Numbers for Florida continue to show the virus is spreading.
And while the spike in new cases is leveling off, deaths are still a significant concern. West 2's Dave McDaniel joins us live. And Dave, you just got these new numbers. What are they showing us?
Well, you know, it was a couple of weeks after Labor Day, rather July 4th. We're coming up to Labor Day. It was just a couple of weeks after July 4th when we saw a dramatic spike in COVID-19 numbers in the state of Florida, up to record levels. And of course, many believe that it's the combination of the highly contagious Delta variant and people gathering for that holiday. Well, now as we're going into this Labor Day holiday, they're telling people to use extreme caution, use all the safety protocols because community transmission is extremely high.
The death rate is increasing quite quickly.
Even with vaccines available to anyone 12 or older, COVID is ending lives. 433 lives lost just last week in Florida, and more than 46,000 dead since the pandemic started. And because of a backlog in verifying COVID deaths, more than 2,300 added to the death count since the last Florida Weekly Report.
The fatalities that are being told to us right now are 2 to 3 weeks, even 4, old because of the vetting process to make sure that that person is a COVID death and not a death from someone that just happened to have COVID.
Although we are seeing evidence that, we're looking at the other side of this curve and perhaps we have peaked now, we have plateaued at a very high level.
New cases of COVID this week, more than 129,000. Under the record of 151,000 new cases a week ago, but still a cause for serious concern.
We're just seeing the numbers kind of waffle back and forth a little bit at a very, very high rate.
Harris says Seminole County is still reporting 300 to 400 new cases daily, far different from mid-June.
And June 13th, we had 20 cases reported in Seminole County, a far difference than 400 plus cases reported for a day.
Statewide positivity is down slightly at just over 15%. Roughly 2% lower than a week ago, but well over the target of 5% positivity.
That's high. That's an indicator of high transmission still in our community.
I'm very happy that the numbers aren't escalating. They're just kind of staying flat. But of course, we have the holiday weekend coming up, so a lot of eyes on that.
And a lot of eyes on that, and here's that guidance once again. If you're going to be indoors, they suggest that you continue to wear masks, social distance when at all possible. And again, if you are sick, stay home. They're hearing about far too many people who are sick with COVID-19 that are supposed to be home in quarantine that are venturing out to run errands. Reporting live in Seminole County, Dave McDaniel, West 2.